Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide the photos from this device. So first of all, open the Photos application. So this is very simple. Without any third party application, we can easily hide the photo from this device. So first of all, select the photo that you want to hide. So here I am going to select this one. Okay. After select the photo, on the top right side you can see three dots. Tap on this one. Yeah, now you can see the option hide. The third one you can see, right? Tap on this one. You can see one message. This photo will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. Then now we need to confirm the option hide photo. Tap on this one. Yeah, instantly the photo is hidden from the Photos application. You can see the photo is not here. But you will get the photo. Just scroll down. So under the utilities, you can see the option hidden. Just tap on this one, and if you set any screen passcode, then you need to enter the passcode here. Now you can see the hidden photo you can see here. So simply in this way you can hide the photos in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.